Are you trying hard to send a message to your friend on Instagram but still failing? Don't panic. Here's the advanced guide on how to solve the message sent fail problem on Instagram. This is a very quick and simple process. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that the specific person is not blocking you on Instagram. If you found that all is okay, then try our easy solutions below. Solution 1. Check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. Open any browser and search YouTube or any website and ensure that it's open. If you find that it keeps loading, then try our easy solution below. Solution 2. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back off. And then check your issue. Solution. Update your Instagram app. Open the App Store, search Instagram. If you find any updates available for Instagram, then tap on Update. Now open the Instagram app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have the same issue, then try our last solution. Solution. Offload the Instagram app. Offload the app. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out the app. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Now check again. Hopefully, your problem should be solved. But if you still have the same issue, that means you're being blocked. Please write in the comment section below if you have any more questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.